All right. So here is a quick tutorial, my friends, since we have them side by side. This one is
Oak.
oak. What's the and this one is wait. That one.
Poison oak.
What's the deciding factor between these two? Because these look really similar. Leaves of three at the end. But do you notice something? It's a stalk, it's a stalk with a little stalk coming off and 3 leaves. And then another little stalk coming off with 3 leaves. Another little stalk coming off with 3 leaves. This is a long branch. Yes, there are 3 or more at the end. And they have the really heavy ridges. But that doesn't mean, because look, even younger ones, ooh, no, that's poison oak right next to regular oak. Man, they are so similar. The veining is one thing that's similar, or that's different. Those veins come straight out from the middle. These veins come up from the middle. Asshole, fly bit me. So, the old saying about poison oak, or maybe it's not old, whatever it is leaves of 3, let it be. If it's shiny, watch your hiney. And then there was another one, I think, that went along with that. So, those are 2 things to look out for. Leaves of 3. As you saw and I described in this video, you saw that for the poison oak, it's the central stalk and then a side stalk, and then you have just 3 leaves on it. If you're looking at actual oak, both are shiny, so you can't just use that side of it, right? And when you're out in the wilderness, some things kind of look a little bit shinier than others, some look a little dull. Don't use that as your deciding factor. 1, the number of leaves on the stalk. 2, the veining of those leaves. If you're wondering if it's oak or poison oak, that's going to give you a really big telltale sign right there, because the leaves for poison oak went from the middle of the leaf and then outward. Poison oak had the central one and then everything came off, like almost straight lines across, right? The other thing to look out for is the ridging around the side. It's not going to be serrated, which is more like a blackberry, raspberry kind of bush where it has the tiny little teeth on the side. It's not going to be serrated. It's going to have the bumpy sides. But not every leaf is extremely bumpy. You'll see that more with oak. Oak itself is very bumpy leaves. Poison oak can be a little bit more smooth and a little bit more bumpy. So the leaves of 3 is really important, and the veining is really important. And I'll try to do my best to find other comparisons when I see other plants that are similar to poison oak, but that should get you through the summer, hopefully without a really big reaction. So thank you for inquiring and reminding me that I had this video in my film, in my, whatever it's called, storage. Love you.